Have you ever seen an LED display installed vertically? And under what circumstances does it need to be installed vertically? Hello everyone, it's me again, I'm Murphy from Huidu Technology. In this video, we will analyze under what circumstances is it suitable to install an LED display vertically, and the corresponding settings of the control system for the vertical installation of the LED display. For example, a 2560 by 512 pixel LED display can be controlled by an A5 playback box at the sending end. If it is a 512 by 2560 pixel LED display, the A5 cannot meet the road requirements, and a larger transmitter device is required, which increases the cost. And some applications can be solved by replacing a larger sending device, such as individual KTV screens, bar screens, and send table screens. The module must be installed vertically. These vertically installed display programs are played horizontally. At this time, we also need to rotate the display screen. So how to operate it? Below, we simply simulate the scene of the rotation of the LED display. We prepare a P2.5 module, an R512T receiving card, an A5 playback box, and the necessary cables, power supplies, and other cables. First, we debug the LED screen normally according to the horizontal screen direction. And then set the screen rotation operation. On the screen parameter setting interface, set the resolution of the horizontal screen and then set the rotation to 90 degrees. Pay attention to checking the width, height parameters. Click OK button to exit, then re-edit the program and send it again. If the sender is a synchronous control device and there is no screen parameter setting, how to realize the screen rotation? Follow us. Next time, we will explain the rotation function of the synchronous control device. Goodbye!